This week I'm testing the Kia Stinger Sports Sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Remember to subscribe and to follow and like us on our socials. In the back of the Kia Stinger there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. Also on the back of all three seat backs are top tether anchorages within plastic guides and really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I could fit two child seats in here really well this week. I couldn't fit a third one in the middle and I could just squeeze between the seats, but my shoulders were really cramped up and I'm 162 centimetres. Now leg rooms are really good in here. We could fit a 184 centimetre passenger in front of a rear facing child seat. Now being a sedan, this roofline is low and posting kids in and out of the back here is a little bit tricky and reaching in to do their harness. Now I've got a 9-kilo baby and I've found posting her into here not too bad this week. However, my 5-year-old has hit her head once getting out of her side of the car. I haven't found it too bad reaching in to do up harnesses, but it is a consideration always, the low roofline of sedans. In the back of the Kia Stinger there are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a good size for holding a large refillable water bottle, and there's the little handle storage wells too. There are air vents in the front and back of the Stinger, which is fantastic for keeping the rear passengers cool while you're driving along. In the front the storage is good as well. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a wireless phone charging well and USB and 12-volt socket in there too. The central console box is quite shallow, but it's got a little shelf in the top as well. There's a glasses case in the ceiling that's lined. The glove box is a good size and will hold my wallet with the manual, and the door bins are a good size too. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and they've got the little storage handle wells too. The boot of the Kia Stinger is nice and big, being a sedan. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 4 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 1 shopping bag, a single stroller and 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 9 shopping bags. The Kia Stinger is a lovely, fast, sporty car to drive. It's really enjoyable once you've dropped the kids off. Visibility is a bit tricky in here being so low, so it has got an indicator camera and a rear view camera, which is really good for being able to see down the sides and out the back while you're driving along. The media system in the Kia Stinger is lovely and simple and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great. Now it's got Sounds of Nature, which gives you white noise at your fingertips. All these different sounds are really good for getting your kids to sleep nice and quickly. Now when I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You've got different angles to choose from, and you can mute the parking sensors with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Kia Stinger, it's great proof that just because you've got kids, you don't have to have an SUV. If your heart's telling you that you want something that looks as good as this, then it's really practical too, especially with that boot space, leg room, and allowing 2 child seats in the back. The media system is really good, and the cameras and drive too.